Hello, Mom and Sir. My name is Ralyn Erwin. I'm from Philippines. I'm 38 years old. I'm a single mother. I have two daughters, age 18 and 19 years old. They are both in college now. I am a college graduate with a course of office administration. My work experience, I work in abroad year 2016 up to 2018 in an Emirate employer. There are 5 members of the family, 3 children. The age is 4 years old, it's a boy, 8 years old, a girl, 13 years old, a boy. I do household chores, cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, cooking. I teach also them in school activities. I do tutoring, especially English and math. And my work experience here in the Philippines, I work 2018 up to this year. It's June, I end up my work. So I work for 6 years in a couple with 1 daughter, age 8 years old. 8 years old now. When I start is 2 years old. If you will choose me as your helper mom, I will be honest, trustworthy, hardworking, and I will do my best and dedicated to my work. I will love and take care of your children, same as I do to mine. I'm hoping to see you soon, Mom and Sir, and I'm glad if you will hire me as your helper. Thank you.